Welcome to Hills and Stars Camp Reserve. They have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 cabins and another one, a house at the back. We are here at Hills and Stars Camp Reserve.
It's a barn door.
This is our cabin. Hello, Ate Jessa. And may small tipping pool. Wow. This is our terrace. Overlooking sa river doon. Yay! That mountain, which I don't know. How about that boy? Hello, my boy! Wow! Hello! Aba, nag-cabin tour na kayo, ha? You like it? Ayan na naman tayo sa I want to live here na yun. How about you, Aja? You like it?
I was just joking to live here.
Yay! You like it? Cool. Ate Jessa. And hi vlog. Welcome to my guys. Pwede. Dito na tayo lahat patutulog. Kiddie size. Kiddie size one. Are you happy?
Tita! Mama!
Advance happy birthday!
I walk to other places while I'm drunk. I jump like this.
Are you happy? Are you happy? This is for your birthday. This is your birthday treat.
Thank you, Mommy. It's like we're...
Yeah, what? What's that?
In Disneyland. It's like we're in Disneyland.
Ay, Disneyland na kaagad. Racha!
I'm not saying that we're going to Disneyland house.
Who is there? Uncle San. Ay, ang ganda naman yan. Tita, ano? Go there, go there. And this is the back bonfire area. And up there, another A house there. Raja! What is this?
Mama, look!
Ate Shavy! Ay, sus! Lamig, Raja. Malamig. Ano, naka-smile pa din. Ate Shavy, wala lang, oh. Ay, wow!
Ang galing naman ni Sebi.
Like a mermaid. Welcome to my guys!
The baby in a basketball! Look at that!
Ay, enough na enough.
Oh, ayan si Ate Chin. Chillax din siya. Ganda ng light, oh. What are you looking at? That's the mountain, no? Medyo maulan ngayon. At ito po ang buhay namin ngayon. Say hi! boy. Are you happy? Pa-jump-jump ka pa dyan sa stairs, ha?
Throw some marshmallows.
Oo, we are calling na the, ano.
Can you pick up my orange?
What? Si Tita Ann ay nanonood pa rin ng K-drama doon. Pumunta lang dito para manood ng K-drama. Ayan, bumangon na siya sa wakas. Ito ang mga bagets na excited sa bonfire. Buti na lang ay tumigil na ang ulan. Thank you, Papa Jesus! Stop na ang rain para ma-experience namin yung bonfire. Thank you, mga kuyas! Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, mga kuyas. Vlogger na din. In the light, jump, 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 jump. In the light, jump, jump, jump. The God.
Run, 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 run in the light.
Wow, running ang Raja Kun at Ate Shibi.
In the light of God. Tita, skip naman. Ano? Skip, 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 skip in the light.
Skip, 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 skip. Ayan, this is the dream of Ate Shaby, makapag-bonfire. Of course, para sa kanyang birthday celebration. Thank you, Uncle San, for cooking.
Wait, the smoke is getting in my eyes.
Okay, just close your eyes.
But how can I see?
Ito na kami kumakain. Ayan.
Nagtatawanan
Ang aming steak. Oh, thank you, Uncle San, for cooking. Na medyo mainit. Oh, tunutulungan ka ni Raja magpaypay, oh. Thank you, Aja. Oh, say A. 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 Ano sabi mo, Raja? A. 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 A.
B!
A. B. C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yay! Wow! Where's your burnt marshmallow? Where's your burnt marshmallow? You share with Ading Raja. Napakabait naman nitong Ate Chevy na ito. Oh, careful ha. Napakabait. Kasi magsi 6 years old na siya.
Siyempre, 6 years old.
Oh, say thank you, Ate Chevy.
Time mo muna i-ano ka dahil sa akin.
Oh, matutunan.
Oh, careful.
Happy birthday, Ate Sebi. Oh, yun na yun. Oh, enough na.
Happy birthday, Ate Chevy. Galing naman ng Ate Chevy teaching Adja how to cook marshmallow.
Raja,
How to burn a marshmallow.
Wag may dikit para hindi mahulog.
Oh. Oh, galing-galing. O, Raja, say, thank you, Ate Chevy.
Ganyan sa malit para pag dumating sa Raja.
Ano buwa niyo? Kawawa naman si Tita Jessa dyan.
Diyan lang kayo magpantik ka, sulitin yun mo.
Ay, sus, ang saya-saya naman ng Raja. Tat 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 tat. Tat 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 tat. Oh, it's a firefly. The firefly. Ay, sus. You're happy with the fire. Ay, don't touch it.
May ilaw.
Don't touch it. Hello, Mamila. Good morning. Yun yung river. Mamaya. That is the mountain. Hindi ko alam kung mag-ATV kami. Good morning, Dad. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Raja. Good morning, Tita Ann. Wake up ka na, Tita Ann. Naubo naubos yung aming solar power dahil sa kapanood po niya ng K-drama. Siya po ang may salarin.
Sabi niya, mag-jogging siya.
Ano po? Si Rainbow Slug. Swimming sa pool. Andoon, nag-swimming siya sa pool. Ikaw, hindi ka nag-swimming sa pool. Buti pa si Rainbow Slug. Rainbow Slug daw, titaan. Nag-swimming sa pool. Baba ka na din, titaan. We are going to the river. River. There. Wow. Oh, hawak ka, hawak ka. Oh, galing ng Ate Shavy, oh. Wow, sakay Ate Shavy. Thank you, Kuya. Sakay din, Roger. Ah! Sige naman, move naman ng konti. Yay! Thank you, Kuya. Inusundan po namin si Kuya kasamang ever loyal na dog niya na may sumay trip. Good morning, vlog! Hey, vlog! Welcome to my guys! Ayan, bababa po siya. Sandali na lang naman na to, malapit. Tapos, ako naman ay sasakay dito kay Kuya. Hello! They are there! And we are here! Ang river. At ito naman ang aming loyal dog. Nakasunod. Dito na. Hello, Raja. Hey, walking ka? Come on, let's walk. Let's go. Go! Yee! At ang mamila there. Fossil. Careful. Raja, how about you? Yee! How about you, Uncle San? Lulublob ka ba? No. What? Oh, sure. Daddy.
What?
How about you? How about Raja? Ayan na, gusto na mag-swimming. Ayan na. Ang Ate Shavy nandoon. Eto, preparing for a photoshoot na naman tong si Tita. Si Mamila naman doon, busy paghahanap ng bato. Hindi namin natatanong kung anong bundok ba to. Mamaya. Ayun, may nagpo-photoshoot na naman doon. Para lang po siyang karayan sa Gintales. Mababaw lang naman. Oh, Sabi! Oh, eto din. Go, Raja! Ate Sevi, are you happy? Bakit na kasi maangot? Raja? Scared ka? Scared? Ah, hindi. ganda ng ating musika. Pabalik na po kami sa cabin. O si Sevi, sakay. Yay! Ate Shibi at saka si Tita Ann. Nauna na doon. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Sevi! Yay! This is our happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Blow your marshmallow cake! Yay! Happy birthday! Ate Sevi. And this is our gift for you. Open your gift, come on! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yay! See your gift! Wow! Bracelet, you like it? There are 3 of that. Come on! Si Cinema Roll.
Nag-smile ka naman.
Para hindi ka naman masaya.
Wow!
Kasi surprise kami.
You like it? Surprise na hindi surprise! Oh, happy birthday! Thank you sa birthday squad! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Sevi! Oh, make a wish! Oh, and then blow! Wow, very good! Happy birthday! Are you happy?
Parang hindi na happy. Parang tamlay. Parang napinis.
Surprise na hindi surprise? You love your gift? Whoa! What do you want to say?
Eh, mag-date tayo.
Yay! 1, 2, 3. Just give me my money! I'm sorry, go! Just give me the money!
Just give me the money.
Just give me my money! Just give me the money!
Money.
Angkasan!
Just give me the money.
Just give me my money!
Just give me the money.
Oo. Ayun, isa pa. Ito isa.
Happy birthday!
Okay na.